Welcome back to another tutorial in the CorelDRAW course for beginners. Now, here we're going to talk about adding and deleting nodes to a shape or a curve point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a polygon, and then we're going to draw a closed shape using the freehand tool. So we have these two shapes over here. Now I want to show you how to add and delete nodes. Now, an instance where you might find yourself adding or deleting nodes is when you want to smooth out an object or you want to add to its appearance. So for instance, I want to smooth out this curve. So that means I will delete some nodes from it, especially here. So what I'll do is I'll come to the shape tool, then where the nodes are located, I'll double click. Now by double clicking, I remove that node. Again, double click. You can see you can remove it. So let's do this and see how this will go. So you can see you are actually smoothing it out. Now let's say you want to add those nodes back. Again, all you have to do is double click, and then you can modify the shape. Double click again, modify the shape again. So right now I'm just adding nodes to this. Another way of deleting nodes is by selecting it, then right click and select delete. That will delete the node. And if you want to add again, click on a point on the line where you want to add the node, then right click and select add, and you've added a node at that point. So that's one way of working with wood. Let's see how it will look with sharp-edged shapes. So again, with it selected, take the shape tool. Let's come over here and add a node. So if I click and drag this, I will be able to form this really cool shape. Let's give it a color so you can see what you can do when you add or delete nodes to a shape. Let's put this aside. Let's do it again, try something different. So let's try deleting this node over here. So I'll just double click on it, and you can see now it's much straighter. Double click, it's gone. So you have to check to what extent you're doing it, because you might find yourself losing your shape altogether. So let's try adding more nodes. One over here. Again, if you want to add, just left click once, then right click and select add. You can see we've added them. So if I click and drag on one, give that a color, you can see the beautiful things that you can come up with in CorelDRAW by just using adding or deleting nodes on a shape. Now this can work for both closed off shapes or any other logo icons that you have. So go ahead and practice this with icons, different shapes, different pictures, and see how that will work out for you.